Good morning from beautiful Costa Rica. Did some movement, got in that meditation, feeling good. Then I'm gonna hit the beach, get some sun, come back, start working. Taking a little seat just to reflect on this area. Such a beautiful place. It's the morning walk. Morning swim in the ocean. Can't beat that, man. The work zone, we are getting it done today. So it's about 11:30 here. Usually take a lunch break for about an hour, but I use that break for movement. So we're heading to the gym right now. Gym time. Gonna get this nice session in, and then it's right back to work. Just wrapped up that session. Sweat equity, baby. Depositing it in the bank. We're getting it done. We're having fun. And most of all, feeling good. Gonna hit Green World right now. Get some dates. Head back to the house. Get back to work. Let's go. My second home. Wrapped up work. Of course, had to come down to the beach. It's Tuesday, which means Thursday we leave. So I'm just enjoying every moment of that sunshine because I'm going back to the freezing cold of Massachusetts. We love it. Beautiful evening out here in Costa Rica. This is the second to last walk on this beach. Costa Rica has been incredible. Another incredible way to end the day. The workday has started. It's just another beautiful day out here in Costa Rica. There's not much to it. Currently just been working, enjoying these beautiful views. Just breathing in that air from the jungle along with the ocean is just a mixture for feeling incredible. We're feeling good today. The work zone right there. That's it. Work is done, time to go enjoy. This is that post-work walk. The daily routine is just move the body, work out, get sun, and enjoy good food. You're gonna hit some breath work, clear the dome. Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful morning in Costa Rica. This is actually my last morning in Costa Rica. So today, I'm going through what a workday as a digital nomad looks like for me. Be prepared, it's full of a lot of sitting down on my computer. It's pretty incredible, so I'm gonna walk you guys through it. Starting the day with my 10-minute meditation using Insight Timer. The reason I like Insight Timer, the bells they have are just really nice. I like having a gong just to wake me up, gets me fired up. Insight Timer right here. Give it a go, check it out. 3 reasons why I meditate. Number 1, clears my head right in the morning. You wake up, you're in a panic. Hunter-gatherers, we were always afraid that we were gonna get killed by a tiger. So you wake up with that same response. I meditate. Number 2, my best ideas come when I'm not in front of a phone, when I'm not holding a camera. They come when I'm sitting down in silence, walking on the beach with no phone. So number 2, I get my best ideas from meditating. Number 3, overall well-being. You can't always be overstimulated by your phone. Just notification. Put your phone on silent mode, especially when you're working. Tuck that thing away. Don't let it be a distraction. Let it be a tool for your success. Now into my next practice, some morning movement. You gotta shake it out. Morning movement, done. So that is one of the most important parts of my day, is moving my body. It's something that I love to do. You just feel good, and I'm all about maximizing my life, how good I feel, and here are the 3 reasons why I move my body in the morning. Number 1, clearing my head helps me think, just like the meditation. Number 2, look good. You're gonna sweat your ass off, you're gonna feel good, you're gonna also look good. The more you work out, the more confident in yourself you are. Number 3, suffering. I like to suffer, I like to go in the ice bath, I like to see what my body is capable of doing. Those are the 3 reasons why I work out in the morning especially. You're gonna feel incredible, so why not do it? Get off your ass, stop being lazy, let's get after it. Time for work. A big one for me. Morning sunlight, extremely important. Get that circadian rhythm on point. Make sure you're getting the sun morning and the evening. All right, let's go. I want to talk about traveling and working. People will ask, how are you able to travel? What do you do for work? I want to live that kind of life. Well, this trip right here took about a day of planning. From there, now I'm here. Stop daydreaming, stop thinking, I'll do this in the future. Just take that leap, book that ticket, and work from wherever you want to work from. It's not difficult, you're just thinking about it too much. I'm just speaking from my experience. I was thinking about it too much before I realized that I can do this at the click of a button. Booked my ticket to Hawaii last year, really opened up my eyes, showed me that I can work from anywhere in the world, and that is the beauty of working from a laptop. So all in all, just take that leap of faith. All it requires you to do is get a place of living, book your ticket, take your laptop, you're off it. I was that person thinking, how is this person able to travel and work? That's just not possible. Throw that shit out the window, book your ticket. It's really just about getting out of your comfort zone and saying it to that other side of your brain that's saying, I'm too scared. So this is your reminder, get out there, go have some fun. All right, back to work. Just close the laptop for 30 minutes, quick little break to clear the head. Gonna go run up this hill with C. Siller. Out the window. All right, we're gonna run this hill 5 times, 10 total. This is what we do. 5 hills done.
When you do like some hard work like that, it just
wrapped up that hill run. Now we're hitting sunset. It is the last sunset. Enjoy those last couple vibes we have here in beautiful Costa Rica. Incredible trip. All it took was pressing the button, book the Airbnb, book the plane, and then we were just here. It's that easy to make it happen. We didn't do anything special, so if you want to go on a trip, you get an idea, just execute, just do it. Nothing to wait for. We're gonna enjoy these last bits of sunshine, cook up a good meal, but before we do that, we're just gonna get these vibes right now. These are the last shots of Costa Rica.
That's really all I need.
Last meditation in the Shala. Mixed feelings about that. Costa Rica has been incredible. Until next time.
And to check out.
Look, Costa Rica. We're off. Back where it started. Time to leave Costa Rica. From the beautiful scenery to the incredible people, Costa Rica has been nothing short of amazing. I felt myself getting a little bit too comfortable back home. It led me to book that one-way ticket to Costa Rica, and I can say confidently that I have not one regret doing that. This trip allowed me to get out of my comfort zone, to meet new people, to experience the beauty that life has to offer. This is your reminder that if you're getting too comfortable, get out there, book that ticket, and just go. Costa Rica, you have been incredible. The nature, the beauty. Till next time, Costa Rica. We are at the airport. Had a pretty sick flight over here from Green Airways. So if you're going to Santa Teresa from San Jose, kind of a no-brainer just to take that flight. You get some nice views. Yeah, we're gonna get onto this flight, then we're heading over to Massachusetts. Back in the zone. Cold. We're actually going at the coldest time, probably the whole year. -20.